Hi, it's Handy Andy Tech Tips here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mirror image video effect in iMovie. So first, create a new project and import a video, and then drag it down to the timeline. I'm going to be using footage of a magpie pecking around. Now, you'll want to trim the video clip to only include the sections that will work best with the mirrored effect. So I'll just right-click and do split clip, and then I'll go down to the end and do a split clip there as well. And then I'll be able to get rid of the beginning and the end parts of the video, which are not so suitable. Okay, so now that I've got the footage that I want to use, I will click on the clip and copy it. And then I'll click after the clip in the timeline, and then I'll go paste. And what that will do is create two identical copies of the clip. Now take the copy and you can drag it on top of the original clip. There we go. Then, on the row of buttons above the preview window, click on the one with two little squares. This controls the video overlay settings. Then there's a drop-down menu with several different options. The one to select is called Split Screen. Then there's some more options for the position that you want the video to occupy. Since we've got the top video selected on the timeline, I'll select the top position, and then you can see that it splits the view horizontally. Well, it's getting a bit closer. What we want now is for the bottom clip to be flipped upside down. We can do that by selecting it in the timeline and then going to the crop settings using this button. Then there are buttons to rotate the clip. So click on the counterclockwise button twice and then it will be flipped upside down. And if we apply that adjustment, look at that. There's still one final problem though. It doesn't look like a mirror because the two magpies are facing in opposite directions. So let's fix that. Click on the button labelled Clip Filter and Audio Effects. And then you'll see it says Clip Filter None. Well, click on that and it'll open up a whole host of different options. We want to click on the clip filter called Flipped. And there we go, that's more like it, a perfect mirror image. Well, actually, there's still a tiny bit of room for improvement. I would like the magpie to be a bit larger. Well, when you're doing a split screen, you can crop each video individually. So I'll just go into the top one and I'll go crop to fill, and I'll drag the rectangle so that we can kind of zoom in on the middle of the frame. And I'll also do that for the bottom clip, which is the one that's upside down. And yeah, just you can fiddle around with these settings as much as you want until you get the result that is pleasing to you. And I think that actually looks pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope that you have fun making mirror image effects in iMovie. I'm Handy Andy and thanks so much for watching.